what's up guys? So I'm here on my 1995 Miata, and today we're going to be making a homemade intake because you know how well those work. We are going to go to the store to go pick up some material to build this thing, and hopefully it doesn't fall apart. But you know, this thing should add a little bit of engine noise because currently it sounds like a mom car. But yeah, see you guys. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're going to hop into the Ford Focus and go to AutoZone. Probably AutoZone, yeah. Pick up air filters, some parts, and we'll go from there.
Okay, so we found the intakes, the intake filters. We're just gonna need the tubing. Probably go to like Home Depot.
Oh, dude. Yeah.
We got the clamps as well. And we're stopped on the freeway.
It sucks.
Traffic. It's okay. At least we got the intake. That's all that matters. Traffic's not
I'm just like happy right now. I think it's insane. We got some beautiful weather today, guys. I'm excited. Look at that. Okay, guys. So what this is, what we're doing here is we are getting rid of all of this garbage, this nasty looking, unopened. See how thin this is, guys? We need big pipes full of air, you know. So this is really restrictive right here. This whole thing is restrictive. So what we're doing, we're gonna get rid of this, and then we're gonna clear out this area, and then we're gonna start putting this together. And hopefully, there's probably we're gonna have issues along the way, but hopefully we'll be able to get all of it done by today. This should look great, and actually it'll give more power, probably a couple horsepower, like 3, 4, 5. But the main thing with intakes is they make it sound so much better, and you guys will hear it later. But it sounds so much. It sounds like a beast. These things, it's gonna sound good. I'm excited, and it looks better too. So we're gonna start off with taking these clamps off. Stuff nice. Alright, with the old. So we may or may not have almost cut half the wires and forgot to disconnect the battery. So we're just gonna disconnect it really quickly.
Safety tip: when working with electrical wires, try to disconnect the battery.
I'm going to grab some wires and cut these and then extend them so we are able to connect. So like I can put it down here, trail it and then connect it to the new, not new, but existing air sensor. So the hood holder thingy was actually in the way, so we're gonna have to relocate it. I want it here, but I have no idea where to put it.
You're gonna be rattling.
It's gonna yeah, what I'm gonna do with this piece of garbage, when I need the hood up, I'm just gonna put it up like this. But otherwise, when I don't need it, I'm probably just gonna put it in the trunk. I think it'll be fine.
We back at it again, trying to put the 90 on here. Probably gonna put the intake somewhere over here. It looks like that's probably gonna set it right here. It's gonna be attached. Hopefully it all works out.
So for these rubber tubes right here, I'm not too worried because I think what we could do is just like drill a hole in here, put it in, and then put some kind of sealant or whatever. And actually for connecting it to the intake manifold, I'm pretty sure this is 2.5 inches. And at the actual store they had one of these that goes from a 3 to a 2.5, so that should be able to fit.
Okay, so we finally got these pieces.
The rest of the parts for this thing.
The adhesive, glue those parts on, and then yeah. I think it might be exactly the same diameter, so that might be a problem.
Ah, look at that.
Yes.
Look at that.
Yes.
Look at that. It looks so clean.
Okay, so basically we put the entire intake in, or at least we think we do, kind of duct taped it up. Putting the battery in right now, just cleaning up all the tools, and then we're gonna check out, see if this thing will start, this thing will run, hopefully it will last. Problem is this kind of backwards. It'd be nicer to have it the other way, but that's not our worries right now. Hopefully this thing runs. Something's not getting airflow. We have a slight problem here.
What?
Okay, so we figured out it was not connected. So now we're gonna try it with it connected. Finally put it in. This is how it sounds a few hours later.
Even it wobbles so bad, dude. This thing's so out of tin. Oh man, fellow Miata, dude. Speed that up, dude. Oh, it rumbles, dude.
That's actually sick.
It rumbles so nicely.
Mission accomplished for now.
Wait, dude.
Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next project. I don't know what else we're gonna do
Hopefully next
for this
time
car.
we'll get this engine light fixed.
Oh yeah.
Because currently there's a engine light.
Now there's a check engine light, but that might have been just from the start.